Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how to manage your inventory in Path of Exile 2. In order to do so, here we are in Path of Exile 2, and as you can see, we have our inventory open, and it's pretty much full. Once you get to the point to where you start trying to pick things up and your character refuses, then that's when you know your inventory is full and it's a good time to start managing inventory. So first thing we want to do is, if we want to move something around to try to make more room, we can, but typically speaking, what you want to do is you want to go to create a portal to town, and you want to head to town in order to start disenchanting and selling your items and even upgrading if necessary. So we're going to head back to Clearfell encampment and go from there. So here we are back in Clearfell encampment, and typically speaking, the first thing I always do is I usually come to Una first. She tends to sit in different places. Sometimes she's sitting over here on the bench, other times she's sitting over here. And the first thing I like to do is I like to disenchant items. So we'll click disenchant, and then we're going to look through the options that we have here to see if anything we can disenchant. Yes, we've got two. So I'm going to hold down control and I'm going to click those two items, and then you're going to see that it's going to show up over here, our offer and Una's offer. So from these two items, we're going to get two transmutation, orbs of transmutation. We're going to go ahead and hit accept, and we have accepted that offer. Now we can go to buy or sell items, and we can see that we have a variety of things here that aren't really going to do us too much use, but we can go ahead and sell them. So we're going to hold down control and we're just going to click the items that we want to sell. And you can see there that we are selling those items. So now we have successfully cleared out quite a bit of space. We have a couple more things here that we could probably get rid of. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll go ahead and sell that. And we'll hang on to that. And now we want to go to the stash. So Una's usually pretty close to it, even if she's over here. So now we can just select the stash. And let's say we want to put a couple things in our stash here. So here we go. We can just stick that in there. And same thing with this. If we want to put that in our stash for later for whatever reason, then we can do so. And this is essentially how you're going to manage your inventory in Path of Exile 2. That's the basic loop of going out, getting gear, getting drops, and coming back, either disenchanting or selling or even upgrading. And that's how you manage your inventory. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.